Go, Buster!
Oh, look! It's a baby deer. What's it running from? It's tracks in the train. Oh no, what's wrong? Traxon can't stop. Quick! Buster and Daddy Bus to the rescue. Oh no, he's speeding up. Daddy Bus is calling Otis the police car. This is an emergency. Looks like the tracks changed directions up ahead. Daddy Bus and Buster are pulling the levers to change the direction of the tracks. Oh no! Terry is crossing the tracks. Change them, quick! That was close. Now Traxon is going round and round. He's getting dizzy. Oh no, watch out! Phew! Daddy was just in time. Looks like Buster has a plan. They need to direct Traxon towards the hill. The hill is slowing him down. He stopped! Hooray! Go, Buster! Otis has arrived on the scene. This doesn't look like an emergency. Oops!